You're dating a girl, everything's going great, great intimacy, great passion, sparks are flying, and then she changes. She starts to take you for granted. She starts to pull away from you. She wants to spend less and less time together. She's not as affectionate, kind, sweet, or as loving as she used to be, and then she pulls away. She's gone, just like that. She becomes distant, she stops returning your phone calls, she doesn't answer your messages, and she's even becoming rude and disrespectful to the point where you don't even recognize who this girl is anymore. But you still want her back because you know deep down she's a sweet, loving girl who would really like you if only she had a chance to know how much you really cared about her. Yeah. Remember, women are reactive, emotional creatures, and because they react to their emotions, they respond to a man's behavior and how he interacts with her. So, if you've acted in a way that turned a girl off or killed her attraction for you, she's going to react to that and she's going to pull away from you. Having done so many consultations with men over the years, there are a couple of major mistakes that destroy attraction and push women away every single time. In every single situation, it doesn't matter how old the woman is, what country she comes from, or what religion she is, if you make any of the following mistakes, you're going to kill attraction and push a woman away from you. Number one, you're focused on the relationship. It's all you ever want. It's all you ever think about. Number two, you let anxiety infect your relationship. If you act this way, you're chasing the relationship and you're chasing her too hard. Women are like cats. Pick one up when it's not ready to be picked up, and it's going to claw your face off. Let a cat come to you when it's ready, and the cat will happily jump onto your lap. Women are the same, exactly the same. Chase too hard, and she'll claw your face off and she'll run away from you. Number three, you're being too responsive. A study published in the Personality and Social Psychology Bulletin found that men who are too responsive, who call too much, who text too much, who respond too fast to messages, who are too available, give their love away too easily, and don't present a challenge, are seen as a turnoff to women and are seen as less attractive. If you've been too responsive in the relationship, there's a good chance you've already killed attraction. Now she has no choice but to leave you. And what do 99% of men do in this situation? They panic. They try to fix the situation. They cry. They get angry. They get frustrated. They try to reason with the girl. They apologize. They plead. They beg for a second chance. They promise to change, yada, yada, yada. But it's too late. She's gone. Out of your life forever. All because you didn't know how to handle a situation the right way when she pulled away from you. Instead, in this situation, it's better to use the magnet effect to your advantage. Now, you're probably wondering, what's the magnet effect? Let me explain. Imagine you have two magnets, one with a positive charge and the other with a negative charge. What happens? Both magnets become positively attracted to each other and snap together just like this. This principle is the same in successful relationships. When the woman has a positive charge, where she's actively investing in a man and chasing him, she's the one with the positive charge. But this positive attraction only works when the man has a negative charge to attract the woman in the first place. What do I mean by a negative charge? This means the man is focused on his own life, investing in himself, investing in his goals, investing in his health, his fitness, his future, instead of focusing on the woman and putting all his attention onto her. In other words, the man isn't chasing the woman, he's a challenge, he's a mystery, and women, as research has found, love this and find this really attractive. On the other hand, if a man has a positive charge where he's the one who's actively chasing the woman, he's focused on her, he's investing in her, and the woman also has a positive charge, what's going to happen? The man and woman repel each other, they push each other away, and ultimately destroy the relationship the same way that magnets with the same charge push each other away and repel each other. Which brings me right back to the main point of this video. If a girl leaves you and pulls away from you, how do you get her back? It doesn't matter if it's a girl you've just met, if it's your long-term girlfriend or your wife. This is how you get her back when she leaves you and pulls away from you. You flip your magnetic charge from positive to negative. You do the opposite of what you've been doing and what 99% of men do. When a girl has actually pulled away from you, you have to let her go, and counterintuitively, it works best if you actually encourage her to leave and do her own thing. The reason why this works from an attraction point of view is that by doing this, you're subcommunicating to a girl that you can live your life happily without her and that you're not concerned whether she stays or leaves. This will not only make you appear to be a man with options, it also gets you back onto the right path as a man and restores your dignity and value, which is crucial when it comes to rebuilding attraction. Invest in your education, business, health, because these are the things that will reward you the most in life and never let you down. Women are always going to let you down at some point, so you need to know how to protect yourself against this. And then what happens? When you start to focus on yourself, that's when the magic happens. Women start to come to you. They intuitively sense your value and confidence without you even having to express it. That's the beauty of the magnet effect. You pull away from her, you change to a negative charge, and bang, you re-attract her back into your life. Now, if you want more information on how to positively re-attract a girl back when she's pulled away from you, or you want to check out some of the studies I mentioned in this video, don't forget to check out the description link below and my guide, the Get Her Back Action Plan. This guide will show you everything you need to know to get a girl back and keep her attracted to you for as long as you want.